Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Bitpay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bitpay.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Bitpay website from which you can click on the login or the get started button at the top right corner. Now from the login portal, tap on the sign up button at the bottom to start creating your account. Now tap on whether you want to select personal or business use. After making your choice, go ahead and type in your first and your last name, followed by your email address and your desired password for your account. Then scroll down and tap on I agree and then tap on the submit button. You will then be asked to check your inbox for your verification email. So log into your inbox and you will find an email from Bitpay. Open up this email and you will find the complete verification button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now your account is officially verified and you can tap on the continue button to start using your Bitpay account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Bitpay. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.